everyone, good day. I say let me quick do this short video. E get wetin just dey bother me for my mind, and I dey try to remove my mind out of it, and now e keep on coming. My worry, my disturb is that this morning is that before we come to Europe, we dey good relationship with our family, our brothers, our sisters. They love us, we love them. We dey eat together for one plate. We dey drag food. The love, serious love was there. As soon as you just come up for the family, come abroad, the love for you will just die. Even though say they don't even see you for 1 year, 20 years, 10 years, any years, they don't even care. So far, may you dey feel they bring money come for them. They don't even care how you wait there for abroad they live. Because majority of us, we believe say now rich people they come abroad. Then God come to bless us, we come to find on our way to come. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, we will first take come. Our problem, our thought them, our parents not get money, they don't get food, they don't get good accommodation. Would they struggle to send money back home, help them, provide for them, struggle, do any job where we're not supposed to do, just for we to send money back home, help our brothers. Even though say now you be even the last born, the senior ones, you won't carry them, you won't carry their load. You go they suffer. You go 100 euro. You go see who they send money. You go give one. You go tell the person say, I will give you 5 euro, because you don't even get money where you want to carry and go. Because you get hope say to go see if you find your way out. Those family, you don't ever wonder, sit down, say, as time goes on, you at the end of the day, you will become their worst enemy. Yes. You will become their worst enemy. Even the ones where you even struggle, say, may you carry them come. Where they don't enter Europe. The man, when he dey, their wife will just turn the eye against you. You become an enemy. The woman, when he dey, your husband will turn the eye against you. You become a worst enemy. This is how the people, you work day and night for you people to be happy. Not be all family. Don't get me wrong. Majority. Some. You will see brother now. He no see you for 1 year. He no see you for 2 years. He no go worry. And this is the people where all the rest of your life, the people where you put for head, they worry about them. They go fit put money, 100 naira for their phone, 100 naira recharge card. They call their friends. You will be the same mama, the same papa, where they struggle how they go take it. They no go put money for food, they call you. Where they never hear from you. If you will send money back home, go give them. Now you will still call them whether they don't receive the money. Even when they receive the money when you go give them, for them to take from inside, still they call you, they no go do that. The people, your family can never see somebody they come abroad. Not be all of them, but some family are very good. They can never see somebody they come abroad. May they give 5 food stores. Give them, make them bring come for you. Now you will see send your own money, go house, make them sit there buy food items come for you. If you see send them, they will still tell you, say, these are the family where they send money every month, they go give you. They will still tell you, say, may you send transport. Are these people really take us for a fool? Do they really think that it's easy here in abroad? Did that love, that relationship where it bound us together, where you travel go? That love where it did between us, where it go? Why it disappear or suddenly? Your wife will tell you now, say, I don't like your sister. This is the sister will pick you from streets, carry come abroad. You go there kiss her. Your husband will say, I don't like your brother. Your brother will carry you come. Automatically, you will just hate him. The distance between blood these days have come to the extent of say, it's no longer there. I love my sister and I'm out today, now I can't day. I love my brother and I'm out today, now I can't day. It's not the way they come from our heart again. If you too dey close to your brother, your wife you go say your sister won't destroy our marriage. If your brother too dey close to you, it won't destroy our marriage. You see the family, they just divided. They just scatter. No love, no unity anymore. Where the love go? And this is the family where you use early age, take come Europe, come suffer for. God forbid tomorrow if they deport you go Nigeria, they call you useless person, failure. When your mate they build that for Abuja, they build for Benin, they build for Lagos. Wait till they do for abroad. If you go jail tomorrow, you are on your own. Even some people, they when you go prison, their family sell their property for them to go pray for them, for them to take lawyer. They can never go their account take. Some people day to day they come abroad, they can't suffer for their family. Maybe something can happen, then die. Their sister when he dies, so their children will become hard scared to their old blood brother or blood sister. Why? Waiting they happen for the world. Waiting this world they turn into. Before when I was growing up, you see brothers and sisters, they are very lovely. Husband, my husband no fit talk to my sister. I love my sister. Me self, there is no way I will condemn my husband's sisters to my husband. Because I'm supposed to still love them. Nowhere misunderstanding on the day. When you quarrel, you need to settle. Let that love day. Don't you give space, because relationship now somebody where they communicate with, somebody where they see every time, somebody where your heart, where you really give, where you open your heart, where you give your, where you create a space for your brother, your sister, it will be there. But when you let that space to be occupied, the love will go. Do some brothers and sisters really deserve the sacrifice where most of us they come abroad, they do for them, come the risk and everything? Oh, come they take, come they make sure say we do any kind of job to make sure say we help them? Because the people who we really help pass for this life, we know they ever they get any favor from them. And they cannot even see your children, may they say they help them. They cannot even say maybe your children they do birthday today. They will say, I did Europe today. Now this my sister. Make her buy gift of €5. May they give your children. You know they only they close to you because then you come, they look for opportunity. Once they grab them, you are on your own. You go even sometimes now, you come like say friend where you jump for street, we can't get close to the same mother, the same father where you would come from the same womb. I think I don't know what the word they turn into. The thing is really going out of hand. There is no love anymore. There is no love. Brother don't love brother anymore. Sister don't love sister anymore. You be careful. My my only one word when I get for una today be say, don't please somebody and displease yourself. Don't give your happiness out for anybody. Be your brother and your sister. Do for yourself. You get 100 euro, keep 90 or even 95 for yourself and give them 5 euro. Because if they go still love you, they go love you. If they not go love you, they not go love you. Because when you see family where they close past these days, na family where one person for no they use itself till they make sacrifice. Now they even they close pass. They go suffer, they manage. Brother, wait till you get. Sister, wait till you get. Can't take my own. This one take. This one they go just they live happily they go. But you, when you can't use your life to sacrifice for your family, now you be their worst enemy. So the thing they read they bother me. That is why I say make I come outside, come make this video. I better not take am personal. No be wickedness where some people know they do for person. Now they just love themselves. They won't chop. If they die, they die. Because if you die, you know they. I know if I die, I know they die with you. If you see my family, if God forbid, you see the same mother, the same father. The one way they help them, God forbid if he die, the rest people go use their children for house help. The same mother, the same father. Yes. They go use their children for house help. Their children go there dining table. They go give their old children food to him before they give their sister when he die. They no go believe the sacrifice wey he make. So for this word, I don't see am. I don't reason and sense say nobody deserve to take your happiness away from you. Make yourself happy. Make yourself happy. Thank you very much. Not take a personal. Now waiting just come to my mind. Now just try to exhaust come up from my heart this morning. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Bye.